Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Bubble Skincare Slam Dunk Face Moisturizer. We're going to find out why it's received 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Introducing Bubble Skincare Slam Dunk Face Moisturizer, your ultimate hydration hero. Unlock the secret to radiant, hydrated skin with Bubbles Skincare Slam Dunk Face Moisturizer. Specially formulated for all skin types, this powerhouse moisturizer delivers an intense boost of hydration, leaving your skin feeling smooth, plump, and rejuvenated. With a unique blend of hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, this lightweight formula is fast absorbing and works around the clock to lock in moisture and protect your skin from environmental stressors, including blue light. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a dewy, youthful glow. Perfect for your morning routine or nightly indulgence, Slam Dunk Face Moisturizer is your go-to solution for a healthy, vibrant complexion. Experience the Bubble Skincare difference and let your skin slam dunk into perfection. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.